I'm filming this during the weekend just to lay back a simple video, and happy weekend to you guys as well. This is the GG-1000TLC-1AGR JDM version, the Team Land Cruiser Toyota Auto Body collaboration with G-Shock Mudmaster watch. This is not new at all. I'm kind of late on this review, but I have 5 reasons why I bought this watch. Probably 6 reasons why I bought the watch today. Oh, there's my pet trying to play around with that GA-2000 right there. I mean, I've just bought this stand and she's kind of curious with what's going on there, right? You guys could see it. Just enjoy the view. Anyway, one reason, the first reason why I bought this GG-1000 Team Land Cruiser model is because I missed my GPRB-1000 GPS Rangeman on the same Team Land Cruiser collaboration. I had to sell the watch in order to get this Mudmaster, the March collab, and also this limited edition Gravity Master. That is how much valuable that GPS Team Land Cruiser Rangeman was. Still is, I believe. The aftermarket value for that model is so expensive that I could able to get this too just from that one watch. I miss that models a lot. I wish I could still get that. I'm gonna try to get the model again, but if doing so, I'm gonna need to sell this one. Okay, second reason why I bought this watch is because I figure this watch seems to be pretty rare today, and since it came with the box, the tin case, special papers and all those, it's gonna be a lot harder for the fakers to copy the watch. Even if they could copy the watch, it won't be as perfect as this one. So that is the point of getting a limited edition model, because there are so many things that you could spot in order to differentiate between real and also fake G-Shock. You have the tin case to look at, the lettering to look at, the print to look at, the box to look at in comparison, and also the blue tone, which is the third reason why I bought the watch of this gorgeous royal blue tone. It's just beautiful. Casio rarely do this kind of thing on their G-Shock watches, and since they did it on the high-end Master of G models, you know right away this model is gonna be really limited. And that brings to point number 4, which is limited edition. This watch aren't for everyone, okay? Just keep that in mind. If you are going to be buying this GG-1000 Mudmaster, I'm guessing it is because you like Mudmaster and not because you want function. If you want function, I highly recommend you guys to get the triple sensor Mudmaster instead, or quad sensor Golf Master, or this triple sensor Rangeman GPS model. If you want fashion, or if you want something collectible, something that's not everyone could get, or if you want to be different, get this one. This is something special. Fifth reason, I believe, because it has something related with point number 4 as well. Because it is limited edition, the price holds better compared to the generic releases. It will retail at 38,000 Japanese yen, and I believe if you buy this thing today in use or even brand new, the market value for this watch will still roughly remains in that price range, plus minus a little bit depending on the sellers. I guess the resale value will depend on that GPRB 1000. It kind of influenced this watch a little bit because it's from the same series, but then again, I don't think the price for this watch gonna go as high as that GPS Rangeman version. Those are all 5 reasons why I bought this GG-1000 Team Land Cruiser model. Well, a bonus reason for number 6, why not? That's because I already purchased the new carbon cord Mudmaster GG-B100. I'm not going to tell which colorway yet, you guys have to wait. It should arrive somewhere next weekend, so I'm looking forward to that. And that is the reason why I bought this one, so I could make a proper comparison video when that watch arrived. Yeah, look, this is the strongest reason why I bought this watch. The rest, all 5, this now is just, I mean, I could make any reason if I wanted to, really. Okay, enough with the reason why I bought the watch. How about you guys? Do you own one? Will you consider getting one of these if you are a fan of Mudmaster? If you don't, then just keep the watch, you know, go ahead, get something else. There are other better options for twin sensor Master of G. For example, the twin sensor Golf Master is really good, including the Gravity Master. You have your twin sensor Mudman. So many options to pick from. This is just the Mudmaster version, so it is just a matter of design preferences. I have a skinny wrist. I mean, my wrist is only 15 centimeters around, so if You guys are wondering how the GG-1000 will fit on a skinny guy wrist. This is it. I only need to wear it at holes number 3 from the top, slide the swatch band in, and I gotta say, fits perfect. I guess this is also the reason why this GG-1000 is great, because the fit is good. Second reason, because the watch band is softer in comparison to the triple sensor Mudmaster. Third reason why this watch is good is because it has simple functions that most people could tolerate, especially new users. Even though the look is pretty intimidating, but the function is very easy. Just press this button over here and there you go, it works right away. Fourth reason why GG-1000 Mudmaster is good is because the price is just half the hold on, what are you doing? Sit down. Don't lick my hand like that. Sit down. It's by the way, where was I? Because the price of this Mudmaster is half to the GW-1000 model, which could be come on, which is a lot more affordable in comparison. Where was I? It's because it is indeed a lot cheaper in comparison to the triple sensor model, which means it is going to be a lot more affordable to most users. That is on brand new. If you're buying this on used condition, the price will be much lower than that, which means you are getting a good deal. Reason number 5 is, I believe, to be the look design, which is really strong. I believe this is the strongest twin sensor Master of G on the market right now at this price range. Yeah, I guess that's it, right? Let me know down below if I was wrong on this point. Okay, those are 5 reasons why this GG-1000, not specifically to be this one, is great. I already told you guys 5 reasons why I bought the watch, and also 5 reasons why this watch is good. 10 points together, and last but not least, to top it off, how about, let me tell you guys things that I dislike just a little bit. First being the digital display in all black, which is, I gotta say, it is not good at all. And in this case, it came in red accents. Nah, not for me. I'm barely able to see it. That's dislikes number 1. Dislikes number 2 is about the lighting, which is, it glows in LED, but it could only glows for analog parts and not the digital parts, which is, yeah, not a good thing. That's number 2. Dislike number 3 is the watch band keeper in this series only. Since it came in resin, I don't think this thing gonna last at all, especially for a high-end model like this. But I don't think I'm gonna beat this watch at all, so it's okay for me, but I'm not sure for you guys. Reason number 4 why this watch is bad is, well, let's see now what else we got here. Oh yeah, because of that theory that this is just an inverted GA-1000. Let me show you guys what I mean, okay? This is GG-1000 looks like, right? If I invert the watch like this, all of a sudden it looked like a GA-1000. Do you guys remember the GA-1000 Gravity Master? It has a dial over here, digital display over here, and over here. Exactly the same way. That model is also twin sensor. If you look really closely and if you compare them side to side, you'll know right away what I mean. This is not a bad point, a good point at all, just something to point out that I'm not a fan of a recycled module or design. That's it. Okay, that's number 4. Reason number 5 why this watch is bad, I believe to be, I can't find a reason number 5. Probably you guys could tell me reason number 5 why this watch is bad. Comment down below the 5th reason. All right, 5 reasons why I bought the watch, 5 reasons to like the watch, and also 5 reasons to dislike the watch. That would be all. I hope you guys learned a thing or two in this video, just for fun. This is for the weekend. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Thank you very much for your support. This is GG-1000.